Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create charts in Canva. First of all, let's pick a background for our chart. It's so useless, but well, let's make it nice. And on the left side, on the left bar, there's these three dots, and there should be a chart plate, but I already used it, so it's in here. Now, what we want to do? We want to pick a chart. So let's go with the last one. Every single one of them is free. And as you can see, this Windows Excel chart popped up. And that's how you actually use it. You don't have to use this one. You can use this one, which is a little bit more complicated. Or this one. You can add it in your presentation. You can add it everywhere you want with something else. You can even change the background. It's completely up to you. So that's how you use that's how you use charts, and I'll show you how to set up them in the next video. Well, thanks for watching and see you in there.